Dosti is really act like a Dosti. It's a Maivan technology you use with a exactly worth format, means exact what we call as a worth means it's a economical with luxurious life. That's how we are getting it.
That we are very happy to be a part of Dosti family. Let it be the quality of the construction, the quality of the buildings, the quality of the flat. They are top notch. Not that other builders are not good, they are good, but Dosti has become a pioneer and it's a brand by itself, and it doesn't require any new recommendations or any kind of new branding for that. It says the word speaks for itself.
Thank you, Dosti, for making my dream come true.
I wouldn't say best in very cost effective and very affordable homes as well. I had been looking for properties for last 7 years. In lockdown I was looking for many properties, but finally I had listed multiple properties, so finally I thought Dosti was the best deal and the best value for money. I booked my flat in December 2020 and right now I'm standing in 2024 of April and I'm getting a possession. The journey was very smooth. There was total cooperation from each and every member of Dosti. Today, on the occasion of Gudi Padwa, we plan to move into our house, and Dosti has cooperated for that as well, and they have handed over us our keys.
तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी चांगलं सहकार्य केलं आणि पोझिशन देखील आम्हाला वेळेच्या अगोदर मिळालेलं आहे दोस्तीकडून. त्यामुळे दोस्तीचे आभार. हे मायवान कन्स्ट्रक्शनमध्ये तुम्ही कन्स्ट्रक्शन केलेलं आहे, त्यामुळे हे नक्कीच कन्स्ट्रक्शन चांगलं आहे, सेफ आहे. मी या अगोदरही माझे बरेच जे सहकारी आहेत, माझे जे कलिग्स आहेत, त्यांना मी इथे रेफरन्स देऊन मी प्रत्येकाला सजेस्ट करेल की नक्कीच तुम्ही दोस्तीमध्ये बुकिंग करा म्हणून.